out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Y'all hear that? It's raining outside. It is 4:52. Time for me to cook dinner. And I don't have to leave the house because I just got my HelloFresh package. The delivery guy came right on time because I was just like, oh my gosh, I don't know what. I've been so busy, I forgot to take something out. I didn't feel like going out in the rain to grab something to eat. He came right on time. Love my HelloFresh. Thank you, HelloFresh, for sponsoring this video. HelloFresh delivers step-by-step fresh recipes, pre-portioned ingredients right to your door. They offer so many delicious recipes, low-calorie options, carb smart, vegetarian, pescatarian, and I love the fact that all of this comes pre-portioned, so that's less prep and less wasted food. So I think I'm gonna do the Baja Barramundi. This looks so good. The prep time is only 5 minutes, cook time 25 minutes, and it is 570 calories, so this looks great. These are all new. I've never had these sent to me before. This one sounds so good. This is the barbecue pineapple flatbread. I have to make this for lunch tomorrow. But this, now this looks good. So this is the sweet heat shrimp tempura bowl. So good. I wonder what type of rice they sent in here. HelloFresh has donated over 4 million meals in 2020. They also offer ready-to-eat salads, sandwiches, and soups. You can easily change your delivery days or food preferences and skip a week if you need to. Okay, y'all. Here it is. This actually looks really good and it smells so good. So let me say my grace. All right, and this is my first time having this type of fish. So let me see. Oh yeah, that is delicious. Go to HelloFresh.com, use my code IAMSHERIKAB14 for up to 14 free meals plus 3 free gifts across 5 HelloFresh boxes plus free shipping. Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Happy Vlogmas Day 13. I am on my way to Miami. The day has finally come. I am getting my installation today. I am so excited. I'm so over my teeth looking like this. If you guys are new here, I am getting porcelain veneers. Right now I have temporary teeth. They did shave my teeth down at the bottom right here, but my temporaries came off, and then these are still some of the temporaries at the top. So I'm getting that done and I am super excited. So right now we're just basically packing. Tony went to the store to grab a few things for the road, and yeah, we're gonna just head out. So of course I'm gonna have you guys with me the entire time. It's just gonna be a one-day trip. We're gonna spend the night and then come home. So yeah, let me show y'all what I'm wearing. So this is what I'm wearing. This bodysuit is from J Lux Label, and I'm just wearing this little cardigan from Forever 21. It's not cold outside, but on the ride there in the car, I like to, you know, have something on my arms. And then I'm just wearing my little foam runners. So yeah, that is the look of the day. This thing kind of falls down a little bit, but yeah, that is the look for today. I'm so excited. Y'all, so we made it to the hotel. Y'all, we have had a day, okay? We got here really late, but I'm gonna do a quick room tour. We did get a suite. Y'all know I am a hotel snob, so we're staying in the EB hotel. So I'm gonna do a quick room tour. So this is the bed, and then this is the shower. I want to say that they have like a remote control for this, but you have to do it inside the shower. And then I took y'all in the bathroom already, but you can see all of this from the bedroom. It's really cool. And then they have 2 shower heads at the top, and then they have the sprayers right there. And then I think I showed y'all this already, but this is kind of like the chill area, like the movie room. So it has like this really big sofa right here, the mini bar. Everything inside the cabinet you have to pay for, but everything up here is complimentary. So if you want to get coffee, water, we actually do like these waters, so we can have that. Coffee, I'm not too sure if I'll be drinking coffee out of this machine, because sometimes they don't clean their coffee machines good, so I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I don't know. He did say everything was
He said everything complimentary except for the refrigerator,
because they have the gummy bears.
He said the water's complimentary.
Yeah, the water and the coffee, so I don't know if this stuff is free. So the gummy bears and like the popcorn and the pistachios, you might have to pay for that, but it's so nice. So we're gonna go downstairs. This hotel does have a restaurant, so we're gonna go ahead and have dinner downstairs. So I'll show you guys what we get. I look crazy, y'all, because I'm telling y'all we've had a very long travel day. So I'll see y'all in a sec. Okay, y'all, so I got the shrimp fettuccine. It was supposed to come with tiger shrimp, but they were all out of tiger shrimp, so I got regular shrimp. But this looks really good. And Tony got the, I think this is a brisket burger.
Yep.
Yeah, brisket burger. It looks good. So we're gonna eat dinner. Oh y'all,
So good.
y'all, I got some truffle fries. The truffle fries don't look the same at every place, but you can taste the truffle oil. But if you guys don't know, I love truffle fries. They're so good to me. So I'm gonna just dip them in some ketchup. Okay, y'all, so let me show y'all the stuff that I brought. I brought my ibuprofen because I'm not too sure how my mouth is gonna feel tomorrow. So I brought that. I brought my Buff Rider, my Fenty Skin Buff Rider. Need to exfoliate. Of course, I brought my body butter, my Fenty body butter. And this is the one that's almost done. I cannot find my travel size. I don't know where that thing is. It's in one of my purses, so I have to find that. So I'll use that up probably tomorrow. This is my face cream that I use at night and in the morning. It's the Tatcha water cream. Love that moisturizer. And then I brought my Chanel face wash. This is my Bobbi Brown eye cream that I put on at night. What else? I plan on doing a face mask, so I brought my Dr. Jart face mask. I love this one. If you guys have been following me for a while, you guys know that I love me a good Dr. Jart face mask. This is my Dove body wash. And for perfume, I brought the Gabrielle Chanel. So these are all the products that I brought. I'm getting ready to take a shower and relax because my appointment is at 8 o'clock in the morning. So, all right, y'all, I just got out of the shower and I'm putting on my mask. This mask feels so bomb. I love this mask. You can get these from Sephora or TJ Maxx. I always find mine in TJ Maxx, but I see them in I see them in Sephora too. Tony's watching a football game, basketball game, girl, I don't know. Spray a little perfume on for my man. Smelling irresistible. Alright. Now I'm getting ready to chill in the bed and sip on some wine. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. Let's go. I feel so good. Oh, so relaxed. That shower was everything. Oh, sorry. Alright, so let me get I have my wine here. We're gonna go over here in the movie room and just hang out. While Tony's watching the football game, I'm gonna watch something else in here. Good morning. Today is the day. So I am up and ready to go. I put on a little bit of makeup, just my eyebrows and some lashes, gloss, a little bit of foundation. I am looking like yesterday because I have to get the installation done at a different office and it's really cold in there. And I only packed like some short sleeves and some shorts and I don't want to freeze. So we're getting ready to pack up. Tony's gonna drop me off and then he's gonna come back to the hotel and wait. I'm so ashy, look at this. He's gonna come back to the hotel and wait for me. And I think my eyebrow's too long on this side. I gotta fix that, but yeah, he's gonna drop me off, come back to the hotel. I'm gonna call him when I'm done, and then depending on how I feel, we'll probably go to the mall and then get back on the road and go home. So that's what's up for today. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited. I'm trying to keep it together. So you guys won't see the results until tomorrow's video, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Also, I am doing a giveaway. I did announce it on my Instagram that I'm doing a giveaway on the mug. I bought a new one just for you guys. So the only thing that you have to do is subscribe to the channel. That's all you have to do. I'm gonna do a post on YouTube today. So look for my YouTube post and it's just gonna say if you want to be added into
the giveaway, just put add me. That's all you have to do. I don't need any fluff. I don't need y'all to tell me how beautiful I am, how much y'all love me, add me. No, just put add me. I hate the fluff. Please, no fluff. But so yeah, I'm gonna do a post. That post should be up right now. And like I said, if you want to be entered into the giveaway for the mug, that's all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and add me. That's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at IAMSHERIKAB. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.